Let's all meet plastic surgeon and our March doctor, Dr. Justin Piasecki.
I'm Dr. Justin Piasecki, and I'm a plastic surgeon specializing in skin cancer in Gig Harbor, Washington. In most settings around the world, the person removing the cancer would remove the cancer, but then would send them to a plastic surgeon. My practice is unique in that I do both of those.
The doctor.
You know what? Yeah. This is how I usually cook in a suit like this, and I'll help you out.
I've never seen anybody photograph like you either. I mean
Not just a doctor, a hot doctor.
Yeah, right. So this technique essentially offers the highest cure rate, but immediate reconstruction under local anesthesia, which we believe is safer, and the precision of the results are much greater because being the same person removing the cancer, I can map the patient's face before I take out any cancer, inject any local or anything. So the most common types of skin cancer are basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma. We'll get to some examples of those, but they most frequently will appear in sun-exposed areas, which oftentimes is the face. The gold standard for treating those when they're on the face is a technique called Mohs micrographic surgery.
My wife Jill and I have a family-owned practice here called Harbor Plastic Surgery Center. Jill essentially runs the practice. I live on a farm. It's a nice break for me from the sort of high pace of what I do on a regular basis. This is Kate. Kate's 8, Natalie is 6, and Haley is 4.5. I would say my tip for everybody in the new year is take some time every week to shut off all your electronic devices, spend time with the people you care about. We know that that'll improve your quality of life. It'll probably also improve your health. Loneliness and social isolation increase the risk of heart disease and other illnesses.
It's true.
Right, to a degree comparable to high cholesterol, high blood pressure, obesity, and even smoking.
Something you'll never ever forget, like what Christina's doing right now. You're combining the tradition of luxury and style.
Dr. Piasecki says there are new sunscreens out, changes in how we evaluate them, so what do we need to know?
The FDA's changed labeling requirements for sunscreens. Now what you want to look for first off is broad spectrum, that's indicated on the package. The best sunscreens out there in terms of ingredients are those that have zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Both are physical agents that literally reflect the radiation away from the skin. You're going to fall through the cracks. You're going to get a sunburn at some point. So what do you do if that happens? A sunburn is an injury to the skin, and skin healing is going to be faster if the skin is moisturized.
Here we go. He's going in. He's going in.
There it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
There you go. All right.
He's so classy. He even knew how to take a TV bite.
Being considered by the doctors as one of the most beautiful doctors in America is an honor, and I appreciate it. It's humbling, and at the same time, it doesn't necessarily change my focus on what's important in life, but I appreciate the fact that you guys obviously know what you're doing.